Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete all viruses from your computer in a very simple good manner. You can see there are lots of apps that can help you to delete your all viruses, but today I'm going to show you a very advanced mode that can help you to delete your all viruses, and this method is doing by all software engineers or any of tech expert. So for that, keep patience. So first we'll going for our the start icon, click on the right mouse button, then go for settings. After that we'll go for the privacy and security and go for Windows security over here. And then we will go for Windows threat protection, go for manage settings and going to turn off this real-time protection. Also going to turn off this cloud protection and automatic sample submissions. We will going to turn them all after a very short time. Now we're going to go for our Google Chrome browser, and from here we will just type Tron script. Click enter, and then we will going to get this download Tron. If you click on that, and after a short time you'll get this 12.0.7 Tron will going to download. And after a short time, as you can see, the download has been started. So we're going to minimize that one. And as you can see, it's about 380 MB. So it will take some seconds to download or minutes. For that, you just need to keep patience. And as you can see, the file is downloaded. And now we will going on to click on it 2 times to install and going to minimize the browser. And after a short time, we will get this kind of malicious file. Click on the more info and click on run anyway. And after a short time, as you can see, the file has been downloaded right now. Now, if you go for the download section, and to the download section, we will get these two options over here called Integrity Verification Ion and Tron. We will go for the Tron. And then as you can see, there is a file called Windows batch files. So we will not going to run it right now. We're going to leave it. Before we will go for the resources. And from here, there are quite a lot of steps and stages to complete your virus protection. So first there is stage 0, we're going to click on it, and now you can see there is another batch file. So basically these are the items that will covered by this batch file. If you click on this stage 0, it will cover this kind of items to check your viruses. And there are quite a lot of stages, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Every stages has a batch file, and if you want to do it manually to check your RAM or remove your RAM from your computer, you can do it. Simply go for any of stages. Like I will go for the stage 6 optimize, and if I just check this Windows batch file, that will defrag my computer, and that will helps me to optimize the RAM or optimize the viruses from my computer. There are all 9 steps. If you don't want the manual step and if you want the automatic stage that covers all the stages, then you should need to try this Tron Windows batch file. Remember, I told you I will talk about it later, that we are now talking about. And if you want to check it, you just simply click on the right mouse button and click on run as administrator and click yes. As you can see, the upgrade start database, please wait. And now it will now detecting the space. For that, we're going to close the background app, and now here you just need to click Y. I'm going to type Y and then click enter and press any key. I'm going to click on enter, and now as you can see, the system is going to running, and maybe sometime it will take some of minutes to complete. For that, you just need to give patience on it. So keep patience on it. And after that, as you can see, that type I agree to accept this go and go to main figure. So here you just need to type I agree, click enter, and then as you can see, you just need to press any key to continue. And now it started your virus scanning, and it will deleting for your computer. So as you can see that if this job takes more than 20 minutes, kill Solitaire EX Task Manager. So now it's loading. So for that, you just need to keep patience on it. But after completing that, you just need to do What you need to do, just go for Windows security and don't forget to turn on this real-time protection. As you can see over here, turn them off. And now it's generating and it will take a lot of time. So for that, this video is right now will be completed right now. So as you can see, you can simply do it right this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.